Now we are going to learn converting non-terminating recurring decimals into rational form. Okay, already we know that converting the rational numbers into decimal form. So in the decimals we are having non-terminating recurring decimals also. So we are going to learn that here. Suppose take 5.28 bar. Is it a non-terminating recurring decimal ma? Yes, it is a non-terminating recurring decimal. So what is the periodicity here? Periodicity, it is 2, because on the 2 digits after the decimal, on 2 digits we are having the bar. It means 2 digit we are having the bar. That is why I am taking the periodicity as 2. Okay. So what is the period ma? Period is 28. Okay. Right. Let us 0.4 bar. So what is the periodicity here? It is 1. So what is the period ma? It is 4. Okay. So now I am going to convert these two numbers into P by Q form. So P by Q form means nothing but rational form. So where P comma Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. Okay. Right. Let us see 5.28 bar. So I am going to erase this. So 5.28 bar. Okay. Let consider x equals to 5.28 bar. Let us consider 5.28 bar. Okay. So this we can write as x equals to 5.28, 28, 28, 28, so on. Okay. Right. Consider this equation 1. So periodicity is 2. That is why I am multiplying with this equation 1 with 100 ma. If the periodicity is 2, I am multiplying with 100. If the periodicity is 1, we have to multiply with 10. If the periodicity is 3, we have to multiply with 1000. Okay. Right ma. So x into 100 is equals to 5.28, 28, 28, so on into 100. What becomes ma? 100x is equals to, it becomes 528.28, 28, 28, so on. Okay. Consider this equation 1. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. So what becomes ma? So we are going to subtract this from this ma. It means 100x is equals to 528.28, 28, 28, so on, and equation 1 is x equals to 5.28, 28, 28, so on. Okay. Right. So subtraction I am doing here. It is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So these are become 0. Here it is 8 minus 5. It is 3. 2 as it is, 5 as it is. It becomes 99. Okay. 99x. So 99x is equals to 523. So x is equals to 523 by 99. Okay. Right. So is there any cancellation procedure? Is there any possibility ma? 7 plus 10. Okay. So there is no possibility. So x equals to 528 by 99 is the decimal P by Q form of this 5.28 bar. Okay. So 5.28 bar in rational form is equals to 523 by 99. Okay. Right. Now we are going to see 0.4 bar. Okay. I am going to erase this ma. Let us see the second example. 0.4 0.4 bar. Okay, let us consider x equals to 0.4 bar. Okay, right. So x equals to 0.4444, so on we can write. It is equation 1. Okay, right. So periodicity is 1. So that is why multiply both sides with 10. So what becomes more? X into 10 is equals to 0.4444, so on into 10. What becomes more? 10x is equals to 4.4444, so on. Okay, this is equation 2. Now subtract 1 from 2. It means, so 10x is equals to 4.444, so on. X is equals to 0.444, so on. Okay, minus. So what becomes ma? 0 0 0 for here 9x. Okay, so x is equals to 4 by 9 is the p by q form of 0.4 bar. Okay, so the p by q form of 0.4 bar is equals to 4 by 9. This is our required answer. Okay, this is the way of representing the non-terminating recurrent decimals into rational form. Okay, right.